Alright, I think I got the whites first FR. You know, actually the needle was shorter. That was originally in here. Maybe 2 millimeters or so. But I think I might have caught the thread. I'm kind of like doofus with this stuff still. Where I might have been going backwards with the... I think the senior you spin one way the balance wheel and the white you spin the other way. I'm not paying attention enough. I'm just kind of like being super careful, meticulous to get this thing cleaned, everything oiled and moving smoothly. Rethreaded with the thread that was good from Beauties. I also switched out the needle from Beauties, but I left the bobbin in. So I'm going to have the dark thread on the bottom, the white thread on the top like I originally planned. And she's threaded now, and we're going to just kind of see tension-wise. She's at a rusty mid, a little over mid. I think it's about a 3/4. Yeah, it's about right on 3/4, like I had the other machine. And then I'm just kind of randomly seeing how that bobbin case performs. But I'm going to, let's see. See how this moves? Yeah, it is backwards on this. I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to hold on to this thread. Oops, that's going to be in the way. Darn. Let's see that zoom back up. I'm going to go ahead and do some stitches. This is first on 7 and see what 7 does. And then I'm going to switch over my length to 1. Maybe I'll go right in the middle, do a little stitch in the middle, and fly here right in the middle. And then we go back to 7. Actually, this one doesn't look like it's ruffling like the other one was. The other one's ruffling a little more. And then I'm going to call it good. Lift. And then I think I pull it out. Sorry, I'm kind of stupid about it. I'm supposed to pull it away. I'm supposed to pull it away. And then give a couple inches. Actually, there's in the back of this, I can, yeah, alright. Cool beans. Let's see how this, oh man, it looks awesome from the front. So this looks right from the front. 7, back a little further. 7. Transitioning to 1. Man, that looks really tight. I don't know if that's zooming good, but it looks good, man. And transitioning to like the midpoint, I guess it's like a 3. And then transitioning back to 7. And let's see how the dark side looks. I don't see any white thread. This one's a little harder to observe. Camera, it's like almost impossible. Trying to like observe. It looks like it's even stitched. This one looks actually better. Lord have mercy. Let's see, I think how they do the pull test. Let's see. I can grab the thread. Can I grab the thread? There we go. So grab the thread. Let me see. I think that was bad. that wasn't good. So that kind of pulled out on one of the sides, and then the other side, I think you. Yeah. So what I thought looked like it was in between. Boy, the 7 at least. 7 pulled out. Boy, the other one actually might have held better. And then I held it down. Huh, well, okay, that pulled out. But man, it looked right. Huh. Oh, look at, like that perspective. That's loose on the 7. In between, 3 seems tight. Yeah, oops. This is the other machine. Get back to, oops, yeah, it's a side. That's Beauty's stitch. So this machine, oh, maybe it is tighter. Except the 7 wasn't so great. Oh, that midpoint, 3's good. One's way tight. And then get down here to the 7 again. Ugh, pull that out, but that looked like it was middle ground. From what I could see, I mean, I don't see how that isn't getting pulled in evenly. Yeah, it looks right. Maybe it's just the starting. That 7's not a good stitch to use at first. Or maybe with a different stitch lengths I need a tension separately. I don't know. This is where I have no idea. I can do the electronics and the mechanics. But oh boy, my back's telling me mechanically I shouldn't bend over like that in front of the camera. This camera stuff's goofy and it's not helping getting stuff done as effectively, but at least I'm sharing what I'm learning. And this is a learning experience for all of you out there that's new to this. All yous out there, no, all you guys out there, gals, guys, whatever you want to call yourself, you know, at least learning something new that either you own or maybe you'll own someday. And, you know, the right tools, you can get one of these vintage white rotaries back into working condition for way more cost effective than I expected. You know, I spent more on this to get the treadle, the 6-drawer cabinet. Looked about to be even not the best condition, but the best looking cabinet I could see for a treadle machine, and it amazes me what it's able to do and how it sounds. Purrs, boy, I like these. The Seiner seems nice too. I gotta get a spring for that one. I'm not gonna be able to get that one functioning yet, though. Zoom's gonna be out. I don't know. Thing looks weird on the image. Though for minimal investment, you know, I'm using dollar store, $1 baby oil. I mean, this stuff's thick, maybe thicker than the Zoom. I've got a bottle of Zoom. I'm not opening it yet till I actually start sewing. I don't know. I think this stuff's pretty good. I'm going to try doing some viscosity tests to compare the Zoom and this baby oil. Well, I got this one threaded and stitching amazingly. And the tension on this one actually looks better than the tension on the other one. Even though either I pulled the thread out wrong, I did something, not a reverse stitch starting or something like that. I don't know if I can even do a reverse stitch on this one. I don't think I can go backwards, so it probably won't sew correctly. I just got to spin it around 180 degrees, and then that's how I do it. But stoked! This is cool. I did it. I have two of the both of them working with all the parts, white rotaries, functioning now. Now I just need to tune them, fine tune them to get them to sew optimally, and this is where I'm not the genius. You know, I don't really know what I'm doing exactly sewing wise. I have to read up. Time to read, and read some more. Watch some videos, ask some questions, get some feedback and insight and for foresight so I can plan ahead what to expect. But I'm going down on like 8 minutes and 40, almost 9 minutes. So this is exciting. Cool deal. I'm stoked. And the phone's still charging upstairs, but oh well, this is working. I've got oil. Probably need to wipe down a little bit. It's this one getting oil on the camera. Okay, well, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. You be safe out there. You be healthy. For the New Year's, you can learn something new too. That's regarding your health, maybe even your safety, or you know, if just safety is just staying at home doing something productive, repairing, restoring, rescuing, or making something. Hey, make something. Maybe this is what I like to do, is work with tools to make stuff with. All you out there watching this might be better at making stuff with these. So, hey, have at it. Enjoy. Be safe. Merry Christmas. God bless. Christ be with you.